Welcome to John's Gospel Bible Study. Today we are going to see John chapter 3, 14 and 15. In the conversation with Nicodemus, Lord Jesus Christ said, the Son of Man, that is Jesus Christ himself, should be lifted up. Then he will draw people towards him. What does it mean? Nicodemus was able to understand. So the Lord referred to an incident that happened during the Exodus journey of the nation of Israel through the wilderness. They were bitten by poisonous snakes. So what did Moses do? Moses created a brass serpent and he put it on top of a tall pole. So whoever looked at the brass serpent, they lived. So those who are bitten by the snake, if they look in faith towards the brass serpent, they lived. So when Lord Jesus Christ told this reminded the incident to Nicodemus, he was saying, he will also be lifted up. So lifted up means it is a polite way of saying that he will be crucified on the cross of Calvary. So when he is crucified, so those who look at him, those who believe him, those who understand that Lord Jesus Christ died on behalf of humanity, then they will receive life. So the people of Israel, when they were bitten by snakes, they need not apply any balm. They need not drink any antidote. They have to just look. So that happened. The miracle happened. They got life. In the same way, Lord Jesus Christ will be lifted up on the cross. So Moses did not make it of gold or silver. It was a simple, ordinary material. But it is not that serpent that gives the healing, but the look by faith gave the life for the nation of Israel, those who believed in him. In the same way, so Lord Jesus Christ came into this world as human being. So he hung on the cross as a cursed person, because whoever hangs on the cross is cursed. So he took upon himself the sin, the curse that came through sin upon the world. So we see that in the wilderness, the brass snake was resembling the snake, but it did not have any poison. In the same way, Lord Jesus Christ resembled a human person. He was human, but he was sinless. So only those who look at him will be saved. So what we understand is, Lord Jesus Christ knew about his death and he explained it to Nicodemus. And as he explained, it happened. And today we can see towards him and be healed of our spiritual sickness and have new life. May God bless us.